Hey everyone, it's Forex Crypto, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency with a focus on the absolute best exchanges for beginners in 2024. Now, if you're new to crypto, picking the right exchange can feel like trying to pick a winning lottery ticket. It's overwhelming, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Choosing the right exchange is absolutely crucial when you're just starting out. You need a platform that's easy to use, secure, and offers the right features to help you learn and grow your portfolio. That's why I'm breaking down the top contenders for beginners, focusing on the key aspects that matter most when you're taking those first steps into the crypto market. We'll be looking at everything from user experience and trading fees to security measures and customer support, so you can make an informed decision and start your crypto journey with confidence. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing some pro tips to help you maximize your experience on these platforms. First up, we have Binance, a true giant in the crypto exchange space. Binance is often the go-to for millions of users worldwide, and for good reason. One of the biggest draws for beginners is their incredibly user-friendly interface. Binance makes buying, selling, and trading crypto intuitive, even if you're brand new. Plus, Binance boasts some of the lowest trading fees in the industry. This means you keep more of your hard-earned profits. And when it comes to variety, Binance takes the cake with thousands of cryptocurrencies listed, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to a vast selection of altcoins. Binance also employs state-of-the-art security measures like two-factor authentication and a secure asset fund for users, SAFU. Plus, they've got a dedicated customer support team available 24/7. So, if you're looking for a platform that's easy to use, secure, and offers a ton of features, Binance is worth checking out. Next, let's explore Gate.io, another fantastic option for beginners, especially if you're interested in venturing beyond the world of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Gate.io shines when it comes to its extensive selection of altcoins, those lesser-known but potentially high-growth cryptocurrencies. If you're someone who likes to explore new investment opportunities and potentially get in early on the next big thing, Gate.io provides a playground for discovery. Don't get me wrong, they've got all the major cryptocurrencies too, but their altcoin offering is truly impressive. Now, you might be thinking exploring altcoins sounds risky for a beginner. And you're right, it can be. That's why Gate.io prioritizes security with features like two-factor authentication and cold storage for the majority of their crypto assets. This helps protect your investments from potential threats, giving you peace of mind as you explore the exciting world of altcoins. But Gate.io doesn't stop there. They also offer a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. Their platform is clean, intuitive, and makes it simple to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. And if you ever run into any issues or have questions, their customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Plus, Gate.io is known for its competitive trading fees, ensuring you keep more of your profits as you explore the altcoin market. Let's move on to MEXC, an exchange that truly prioritizes simplicity and customer support. Look, I get it. Starting with crypto can feel overwhelming, especially when you're bombarded with complex charts and trading jargon. That's where MEXC comes in, offering a refreshingly straightforward platform designed with beginners in mind. Their interface is clean, intuitive, and incredibly easy to navigate, making it a breeze to buy, sell, and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies. They've stripped away all the unnecessary clutter and complexities, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your crypto portfolio. But what truly sets MEXC apart is their exceptional customer support. They understand that beginners often have questions, and their dedicated support team is available 24/7 to provide prompt and helpful assistance. Whether you're having trouble navigating the platform, need help with a transaction, or just have a general crypto question, MEXC's support team is there to guide you every step of the way. This level of personalized support can be invaluable when you're just starting out, providing peace of mind and ensuring a smooth and enjoyable crypto trading experience. And to sweeten the deal, MEXC offers competitive trading fees and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Now let's talk about BingX, an exchange that's shaking things up with its innovative social trading features. Think of it like social media, but for crypto. BingX allows you to follow and learn from experienced traders, gaining insights into their strategies and potentially replicating their success. See, one of the biggest challenges for beginners is knowing where to start, right? With BingX's social trading features, you can tap into the knowledge and experience of seasoned traders, essentially having a mentor guide you through the world of crypto. You can follow traders with proven track records, see their trading activity in real time, and even copy their trades automatically. This allows you to learn by doing, gradually gaining confidence and understanding as you navigate the market alongside more experienced individuals. But BingX isn't just about social trading. They also offer a user-friendly interface, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and competitive trading fees. They prioritize security with features like two-factor authentication and cold storage, ensuring your assets are protected. So if you're looking for an exchange that provides a supportive learning environment and allows you to leverage the power of community, BingX is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have Bybit, an exchange that often attracts more experienced traders but still manages to offer a smooth experience for beginners. Now you might be thinking, advanced trading, that's not for me, I'm just starting out. And you'd be right, sort of. While Bybit does offer advanced trading features like margin trading and derivatives, they also understand the importance of catering to beginners. That's why they've designed their platform with a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate regardless of your experience level. They've done a great job of separating their basic trading features from the more complex ones, so you won't feel overwhelmed when you're first starting out. You can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks, all while enjoying competitive trading fees and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. But here's the cool part. As you gain experience and confidence, Bybit's advanced features are there for you to explore. This means you can stick with the same platform as you grow as a trader, gradually unlocking more sophisticated tools and strategies without having to switch exchanges. Let's talk about KuCoin, an exchange that's become a favorite among cost-conscious traders, and for good reason. KuCoin is known for its incredibly low trading fees, which means you get to keep more of your profits, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. But low fees aren't the only thing KuCoin has going for it. They also boast a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, including many lesser-known altcoins that you might not find on other major exchanges. This makes KuCoin an excellent choice for traders looking to diversify their portfolios and explore a wider range of investment opportunities. And despite their focus on cost-effectiveness, KuCoin doesn't skimp on security. They employ industry-standard security measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage to protect your assets from potential threats. Now, while KuCoin's interface is generally user-friendly, it can be a bit more complex than some of the other exchanges on this list, especially if you're brand new to crypto. However, they do offer a simplified trading view that's perfect for beginners, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with ease. Finally, let's wrap things up with OKX, an exchange that's committed to empowering traders with knowledge and a comprehensive trading experience. One of the things that sets OKX apart is its dedication to education. They offer a wealth of resources, including articles, videos, and even a dedicated learning platform to help you understand the ins and outs of crypto trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience under your belt, OKX provides valuable insights and educational materials to help you make informed trading decisions. But OKX isn't just about education. They also offer a robust and feature-rich trading platform with a user-friendly interface that's surprisingly easy to navigate. You'll find a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, and advanced trading features like margin trading and derivatives, all within a secure and regulated environment. And if you ever have any questions or need assistance, their customer support team is available 24/7 to provide guidance. OKX's commitment to education, combined with its comprehensive trading platform, makes it an excellent choice for beginners who are serious about learning and growing their crypto portfolios. So there you have it, our top picks for the best crypto exchanges for beginners in 2024. We've covered a lot of ground today, from user-friendly interfaces and low fees to advanced trading features and educational resources. Remember, the best exchange for you ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. Do your research, explore the platforms, and don't be afraid to try out a few different options before settling on the one that feels right for you. To make things easier, I've included links to each of these exchanges in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to start your crypto journey with the best exchanges for beginners in 2024. Sign up now. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more crypto tips and insights.